Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to follow and unfollow people on TikTok. It's quite simple and easy, just follow these simple steps. So first open up TikTok application, and here when you watch videos you can follow this creator just by tapping on this plus icon just below the profile icon. I tap on it and now I am following this person, and I can make this every time I like the video and every time I need to get more content from the person. Just tap here, and now I will see all the posts that from people that I following in the following section. But let me show you how you can follow people in different way. I just tapped on discover tab, and here in search I can tap, I can put in any keyword. I will tap TikTok, for example, and now I find the profile of a TikTok user, and I can just follow it by tapping on this big red button calls follow. Just tap on it, and now I follow this person, and also I can follow these suggested accounts if I need to do that. So also you can unfollow person when you are on his profile page. You can just click on this icon to unfollow them. If you want to unfollow much more persons at the same time, you just need to get on your profile section. Here is the following option, just tap on it, and here I can unfollow any persons by just clicking on this button. Here you see I just unfollowing all the persons, very quick and easy. So now you know how you can follow and unfollow people on TikTok. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.